everyone, welcome to part 2 of the beading and polymer clay station slash workspace. This is the half that I work on right here. I do have a little craft mat right here. It's just a Martha Stewart craft mat, and then I have a bead mat on top of that I use. I got the bead mats in a 3-pack. It was like 2 something. If I can remember where I bought them, I'll put the link in the description for you in case you're interested in those. But so this is what started my whole bead drawer setup. This is a unit by a company called Acro Mills, and it's like the one that I showed in the previous video that's over there for the polymer clay stuff. This is the first one I actually ordered before I got the other one. I didn't know that there were different types of drawers, and so when I got the other one, I liked that it had the bigger drawers in it too. But this is the 64 drawer setup, and you can get these, like I said, at Home Depot or Lowe's or places like that, but I ordered mine on eBay. I got a good deal on it, so this one came in like 2 days. The other one took like 5 days or something to get. It was 2 different sellers, so it just depends. But so this houses all of my beading stuff. So everything in here has to do with making my charms and my bottle cap charms and that kind of stuff. So I'll zoom in a little bit here and just kind of go through some of this stuff with you guys. So in the top, I basically have all of the stuff I need to start the beading process, which would be like all my bottle cap stuff is in here. Keychains are in here. Lobster clasps are in here. I use the large ones for my key and purse charms, and then I use the smaller ones back here for the bottle cap charms and stuff like that. This is just head pins and eye pins. These are some jump rings and more jump rings and split rings in the back. This is all of my chain. And in this drawer, what I did was I took the chipboard divider and I kind of took a chunk out of it because my chain would fall into here and I couldn't find the end. So it's basically just so I can know where the end of the chain is. This is some leftover, this is like overstock chain, but so it's much easier to just pull off of this and then be able to count it out. And then this just has ball chain and clasps. So then my second row is basically like charms and some metal beads that I use a lot of, like these hearts right here. I use these a lot. I get these at Walmart in these little packages. Then I also have just some dragonflies. I've got like a side view butterfly, and then these butterflies I get at Walmart and Michael's. So these are just some of the little charms that I've purchased on Etsy. These are the little angels that I do for my charms. And there's some wings back there. This is all of my Made with Love heart charms. Then in the back I do have some of these little flowers and some little stars. These are really cute metal beads that I got on Etsy. Etsy is like a little metal bead and charm gold mine. I'm not kidding, it's awesome. So this just has some different crosses and some different little wings in there. These two house my favorite spacer beads that I use a lot of. This has some Disney charms and some like birthstone charms. And then this one has just random charms in there. So then this is my kind of guy mix. I put my more masculine looking kind of beads in here for like keychains for guys and stuff. So in here I have some acrylic beads. These are acrylic beads. I do have some rondelles that I purchased. So there are some really tiny ones in here, and then there's a little bit bigger ones in here. I do love those for very girly stuff. Then these are just a really pretty green. I don't even know what color green this is, but these are really cool. I got these at Michael's. So there's that size, and then there's a little tiny 4mm in there. These are kind of the same thing, but they're like a white opal. They have this really cool shape, but so there's this and some tiny ones. Then these are just clear beads. These are like the opalescent kind of bead that has a little bit of color. That one has a chunk taken out of it, so that's not even a good bead. But then this one has some 4mm Swarovski, I guess that's how you say that, crystals in it. I get these at the dollarbead.com. So on the back of my little Mickey sticky notes, I just write the color of what's in here. These you get like a pack of 12 for $1, but they're really cool. I use these quite a bit, so I do like those. Then this whole section here is all like seed beads, so different colors of seed beads. This one has 4, and then the rest are all divided in half. So different sizes and different colors. Then this row has a mixture of stuff. So this one has my little clay bows, my polymer clay bow beads that I make, and I do love using these on my charms. So I've got those. Excuse me, these are more acrylic beads. These are more acrylic, and these are acrylic. So these are all glass pearls in the rest of the drawers. These are just white. This is like a gunmetal color and some black, and then we have some cream. This is a slate color, and then we have like some browns, some kind of aqua blues, green, yellow, kind of peachy orange. This is called apricot actually, and that's called champagne. This is my pink, and then this is for red. Then down here I have all these pearl glass beads are from Dollar Bead, and then these are from dollarbead.com. Also, these are in a different section. These are in, it'll say like team and school colors, so they're not pearl. They're more of a glossy, opaque kind of bead, I guess. But they're kind of heavy. They are glass beads. And then all those are empty. This is just some stuff. This is for earrings. So I've got the little hoop earrings and some backings. And then this is some Disney stuff I'm working on. I do have a couple drawers of some gold stuff, which I don't do a lot of gold. So I don't have very much. This is some stuff that my mom got me to make a couple of gold things for her. So I do have a little bit of it. Then some little bead caps that I am finding that I don't use a whole lot of, so I don't really know if I need those. And then just some extra stuff. So that's what I have in those drawers. And up top we have a little bit more. So on the top of my unit I have this cool little rack here. It's a tool holder. As you can see, my tools are on there. And I got that, I think it was called jewelrytools.com. I will link it in the description below if you guys are interested. And so it's really cool because it houses all of your pliers and stuff. And then I just got some scissors and tweezers hanging on the one end. And then in these little drawers, or not drawers, these little divided containers, I do have some more beads. Like the top one I have all my crackle beads. Then this one I have some other pearl beads. This one I have just some regular like crystal beads in different colors. And then in the bottom one I have some beads that are more fun. They might have like stripes or patterns or something on them, or whatever. There's not a ton of them in there, but it's just, they're like different kinds of beads. And that's it. That's my beading station part of the little beading and polymer clay making workspace. So here's another view of the workspace. It's nice. I love it. I just take the light down at night because I really bead mostly at night right now until daycare's over. But so I just put my light there and get all my stuff set up and just go to town. It could take, I don't know, I've had some charms take anywhere between an hour to 3 hours, depending on what I'm doing and if I'm liking it or not. So I'm very picky about the way I want the charms to look and stuff like that. So, you know, could be just me. I don't think they should all take that long. Bottle cap charms are a lot quicker, but my little purse charms and stuff take me a little bit longer. And that's completely irrelevant to this video, but that's some information for you guys. I do sell my charms. If you guys are interested, just message me and I will get back to you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this two-part video of our clay and beading station. If you have any questions, just let me know and I will get back to you. So I will see you guys in my next video. So thank you guys for watching again. Bye.